Avoid the trap. Correct use of time expressions in future continuous tense. Hello, English language learners. Today, we are diving deep into an essential aspect of the future continuous tense, the correct use of time expressions. This area is a frequent source of errors, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a firm grasp on how to use time expressions accurately in future continuous tense. Before we explore the common mistakes, let's remind ourselves about the future continuous tense. This tense is used when we talk about an ongoing action that will occur in the future. The structure is subject plus will be plus verb ing. Example: I will be studying for my exams this time next week. The key element to look for when using future continuous tense is the time expression. It's essential to understand that future continuous often requires a specific future time or a future period as a reference. Example: wrong, I will be watching a movie. Right, I will be watching a movie at 8 o'clock tonight. Now, let's look at the common mistakes people make with time expressions in future continuous tense. 1. Using in with specific future times. In is not used with specific future times when talking about future continuous. Instead, we use at. Example: 2. Wrong, I will be eating dinner in 7 p.m. 3. Right, I will be eating dinner at 7 p.m. 4. Using on with days and dates. On should be used with days and dates, not at. Example: 5. Wrong, I will be traveling to Spain at Monday. 6. Right, I will be traveling to Spain on Monday. 7. Confusing by and in when talking about a deadline. Use by. In is used to talk about periods of time in the future. Example: 8. Wrong, I will be finishing the project in 3 o'clock. 9. Right, I will be finishing the project by 3 o'clock. 10. Incorrect use of this time. When using this time, ensure that it refers to a similar period in the future. Example: 11. Wrong, I will be playing soccer this time tomorrow morning. 12. Right, I will be playing soccer this time tomorrow. Here are some tips to avoid these common mistakes. Always check your time expression. Is it a specific time, day, date, or period in the future? Practice with real-life examples. The more you use time expressions in context, the better you'll understand them. Use reference materials. Keep a list of the correct prepositions for different time expressions. And that wraps up our video on the correct use of time expressions in future continuous tense. Remember, it's all about practice. Keep using these structures, pay attention to the time expressions, and soon you'll be making no mistakes at all. Stay tuned for more English language learning videos. Happy learning!